In this video, we are going to be analysing NUWE because it is up over 140% as we're recording this video. So, to get straight into the resistance lines, what are we focusing on? And as we can see, on the 4 hour, we are already so overbought that we're over the third and fourth deviations, which does indicate this stock is very overbought and we would expect a pullback. However, going on to the daily, we do still have some resistances to be paying attention to. Our closest one, and the one we have already actually hit intraday, is $1.70. We can see kind of coming into this level, this is where the high of the day was created because it is struggling to break the second deviation on the daily. Now, if we're able to break over this level, test it as support, buying pressure come in, and we see buying pressure take us to that next resistance level, this would take us quite far to $2.45. And once more, if we're able to break that level and go one further, then we're looking at $3.25. If NUWE breaks above $3.25, really, it's something we definitely wouldn't be looking to hold long bias, or at least holding shares, because there most likely will be a gap down at some point, probably be through a halt. So getting caught in that will be quite deadly. Now onto the support levels though, what are we looking at if NUWE starts falling in price? So our closest support level as of now is our fourth deviation on the 4 hour at $1.45, and right below that we have our next support at $1.22, which is our third deviation on the 4 hour. Now we do actually expect the stock to kind of pull back below this 122, because once the stock's above its third deviations, it is very overbought. So once we start pulling back, this is where we would have a target at a minimum, but really we would expect it to fall below it. And if we start falling below it, what are going to be even lower support levels? So we have the the 98 cents, which is the second deviation. This is going to be paired with the whole dollar deviation, the whole dollar psychological level, which will be a very strong support level. So do expect a bounce coming in this level. However, if we do break below, come back and retest this level, this will definitely kick in a strong amount of selling pressure. And then we have targets at 90 cents, 75 cents, and then really our final level that we would pay any attention to would be the gap fill level at 63 cents. So that is the breakdown on NUWE. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.